रमेश जी, जो एक माहौल बना था, this had been created after first phase, second phase. First of all, this information that people are not voting, which was proven to be false when the final results of the voting figures came out from the Election Commission. Between then and now, somewhere it seems to me that the India alliance has nothing new to talk about. It has lost the momentum. So much so, I'll tell you, that even the Congress loyalists like Yogendra Yadav, even they are saying that Modi will be Prime Minister. Okay, he may not get these many seats, but Modi will be Prime Minister. You see, and the narrative has changed. The momentum has, even your YouTube people who support you, they don't have the same energy anymore that they had after phase 2. What happened?
No.
Ji.
I think today is the sixth phase, elections.
Sixth phase.
Election is going.
Sir.
You see my leader Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka ji and Khadke ji, they are too much touring the whole country. And this election is people versus Mr. Modi. We are going to, I was in the New Delhi constituency for your function only, I came.
Thank you.
And because I was moving to polling booths, you will not believe every government servant was casting a vote to India Alliance. The people are fed up from these bhashans, from these jumlas. The momentum is like a nuclear bomb. It's like a rocket. The India Alliance momentum is too high. When I met Rahul ji in the morning today, and Sonia ji and Priyanka ji also for the voting in Sanchar, in the Nirman Bhavan.
All of you voted for AAP?
Yeah, definitely. It's India Alliance. We voted for India Alliance. So my
So you voted for AAP?
Definitely, their symbol was there. There is no doubt about that, and we did that because the Dharam Nibhaya हमने India Alliance का जो because we want to save the country from, you know, the Britishers have come back again. The way in which they were dividing. The Indian people know freedom movement also. They understand the freedom movement because they fight it with the Britishers also. They know that's why वो लोग इतना गुस्सा निकाल रहे हैं मशीनों के ऊपर वोट डाल के खटाखट आप देखना चाहते हो
आपको you could hear the
नहीं उसका गुस्सा मिस्टर मोदी के खिलाफ जो प्रेजम्पशन आपने बना रखी है नैरेटिव फिक्स किए हुए हैं आप देखिएगा 4 जून के बाद कि क्या किस तरह से खटाखट जो है लोग
ईवीएम टूट तो नहीं गई
ये तो अच्छा
इतनी खटाखट कर रहे थे ईवीएम तोड़ तो नहीं दी आपके समर्थकों ने
वही मुझे लगा कि इतने गुस्से की बात कर रहे हैं यस दैट्स राइट था बताइए
वो तो सरकार की ईवीएम है काफी
तो आपने वोट क्यों की सर व्हाट डू यू मीन सरकार की
गवर्नमेंट की
सर यू डिसाइड सर माय क्वेश्चन वाज डिड यू लूज द नैरेटिव
No. You don't think we will form the government. Rahul Gandhi will be the Prime Minister.
Okay, he wants to have a first go. Please, Gaurav. He says that this is all an undercurrent that we are not seeing.
I don't know, you asked that had you lost the narrative?
Yeah.
So I had a bigger question, and not to him, but to all your people who are watching this show. Was there any narrative? I don't think so. Was there any alliance? Is there any alliance called as Indi?
Is there an alliance?
Well, because
that's a good point he has raised.
Because Arnav,
good point he has raised.
Mamata Banerjee, as per my friend, she is a part of the alliance, but she is telling that I am not part, and she is telling that Congress will fall below 40. But Congress is saying they are part of the alliance. This is not alliance. This is a group of people who had only one commonality, that they hate the growth of the country. That is
not Narendra Modi.
They hate the growth of the nation. So that is the commonality between this. And this is a group of people who had family-owned political parties. Starting from east, there is a Banerjee family, then Soren family, then Lalu family, then Mulayam family, then if you go to south, then we have Karunanidhi family, Thackeray family, Pawar family, and latest in this list is Kejriwal family, for which my friend had voted. And I would like to remind him that I also, when I was part of them, and I am still of that statement, that Kalyug ka sabse bada bhrashtachari Kejriwal hai. We used to say in Congress party.
Even he used to say.
And now he is telling proudly that he had voted
he's
for...
Not proud. He's not proud. You look at him, he's not proud.
He's not...
Are you proud?
No, it's a question of a dharam, of the India Alliance. We sacrifice for the country because we have to save this country from Mr. Modi dictatorship.